These recordings we are making for IoT lab experiments for MCA department in BTU region, Karnataka. So second program we are planning to work out for getting input from two switches and switch on corresponding LEDs. That is like first switch press, first LED has to be on. Second LED press, second LED has to be on. So here we need two switches and two LEDs. Before going in this program, we need to understand how we have to interface switches with our Raspberry Pi processor and how to interface LEDs with our Raspberry Pi processor. For that we should know the pin diagram of our Raspberry Pi. You see here, these are all odd pins and these are all even pins. So apart from even odd pins, remember that GPIO means general purpose input output. There we can connect our either switches or LEDs, any pin. So many GPIO pins are there, so many ground pins and power supply pins are there. But remember, we can connect our switches for GPIOs and our LEDs also for GPIOs. So next we will move on to the program. Next is a program, how to write the program. Here is the program. We have to import RPIOs and we have to import the time for providing the delays. Then set mode BCM. This is very important. Like line number 4 is very important. With this one only we will decide. Like GPIO.BCM is written. BCM. BCM means we have to follow the GPIO connections. So for example, GPIO 23 I have mentioned. So my switch connections will be at the GPIO 23 and 24. Here I have to connect my switches, not on the 23rd and 24th pin. Here. Like here is the 23rd pin, here is the 24th pin. We cannot connect here because I am mentioning GPIO.BCM. BCM means I have to follow the GPIO connections, GPIO 23, GPIO 24. Next LEDs I have mentioned as GPIO 25 and 8, not 22 and 24. That is board connections. If I mention set mode GPIO.board, then I have to follow board pin connections. Now I have to follow GPIO connections, that is GPIO 25 and GPIO 8. So this is what input and outputs are mentioned. Then continuously we are trying to read the data from the switches and storing the button state variables, and if button states are press, then particular LED we will turn on and we'll print the messages button 1 press, a delay of 0.2 seconds. And second button is press. False means switches we are connecting with the ground, and true means LEDs we are connecting with the positive pin of the LED should be connected with the GPIOs. So we'll run this one. On. So when I run the program, already button 1 press it is showing. Press the button. This LED is on now. Press second button. Second LED is on now. Yes, both LEDs are on and off based on the supplies given by the LEDs. That is from the switches, sorry. These are my switches. So I just made them commonly connected with the ground. Other end I made a female connector. That connector I will connect on my GPIOs. So in the program I have mentioned as GPIO 23 and 24, and this pin will go to the ground. So pin number 6 is ground, 2, 4, 6, pin number 6 is ground, and GPIO 23 and 24 I have to look for. So that is available on pin number 16 and 18. So one pin I have to connect to pin number 16, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Then other switch I have to connect to pin number 18. But pin number 18 is GPIO 23 and 24. I am connected with the switch connections is done. Then LEDs. So LED also common ground we have connected. So this will be connected to the common ground. Common ground is here. 28th pin is common ground only. So this common ground I am connecting with the common ground of Raspberry Pi. Then pin number of LEDs are connected with GPIO 25 and 8. So 22 and 24 pins. Fine. So when I run the program, my LEDs has to be on. So when I run the program, already button 1 press it is showing. Press the button. This LED is on now. Press second button. Second LED is on now. Yes, both LEDs are on and off based on the supplies given by the LEDs, that is from the switcher side.